Hello guys, today I'll show you how to reverse video by using Vcast Pro 18. So let me check the video first. So this is my video. So I want to reverse this video. So I already opened the Vcast. I will drag this to the Vcast. So here. So to reverse it, just right click on it. And here. So reverse here. Click on it. So you play it. You see, it reverse. Just render it. Render, yeah. So where I wanna render here, WMV, just 720. I wanna render in desktop. Here, I wanna customize it. Video, very small. Yeah, okay, render. Just do waiting. Okay, go to the desktop. I want to check the render video. Here. You see? It reverse. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.